A high-performance, multifunction linear amplifier is one of the key pieces of equipment for keen competition in DX hunting and contesting. If genuine amplifier reliability is added to that, it will be a must-have piece of equipment. For DXers and contesters aiming for the top of the world, Icom presents the new IC-PW2 linear amplifier. It is an unrivaled linear amplifier that realizes clean transmission with a new DPD, digital pre-distortion technology, and supports the SO2R single operator 2 radios operation with one PW2. The IC-PW2 uses new 65-volt LD-MOS power transistors and a high-efficiency power supply. A 1 kilowatt output at full duty cycle can be achieved with 200-volt AC input. It can be operated at full power operation after the power is turned on. Of course, you can operate it continuously, even in long contest hours or full duty FT8 operation. As the name implies, a linear amplifier is ideally used in the linear operating range of gain. On the other hand, in a general class AB power amplifier module, the linearity will be lost when operating near the rated power. As a result, the transmission waveform will be distorted. This is the distortion component in an SSB mode signal. The IC-PW2 has succeeded in realizing the world's first digital pre-distortion DPD as a linear amplifier for amateur radio in combination with the IC-7610. This technology corrects the signal distortion from the PW2 by applying inverse distortion to the output signal from the IC-7610 exciter in advance. The effect is obvious at a glance. As you can see, compared to the previous PW1 model, the PW2 has an extremely clean transmitted signal. Two radio input and 6 antenna connectors provide fully automatic antenna switching capabilities. Each antenna can be switched independently when making a band change on either transceiver. You can operate it as if you had two linear amplifiers. When using dual independent receivers, which the IC-7610 and IC-7851 have, you can watch two different bands at once by using two antennas. Moreover, SO2R operation in a contest can be realized with one IC-PW2. While you are making a call on one radio, you can watch another band on the other radio. The transmitter lockout function prevents simultaneous transmission of two radios during the SO2R operation. Conventional linear amplifiers require two multi-band BPFs to prevent suppression of receive sensitivity by their own transmit signal when operating SO2R. However, the IC-PW2 automatically connects the multi-band BPF to the receiving radio when you select either radio to transmit. This makes SO2R operation possible with just one multi-band BPF. User-supplied bandpass filters, preamps, and attenuators can be connected to the RX in-out connectors. When two radios are used with the IC-PW2, one multi-band BPF can be shared with these radios by switching the receiving radio. In addition, the band switching and multi-band BPF can be controlled from the band data output connector. The Band 1 and Band 2 data output connectors can each be set to either Input 1, Input 2, transmitter side, or receiver side. It can be linked with band switching of various external devices. With current Icom radios, various settings are easy, and you can get the full performance out of the IC-PW2. When you operate the transceiver by tuning and switching between main and sub-receivers or changing bands, the PW2 automatically works in conjunction with it. It provides an extremely quick response in contests and multi-band operations. A LAN port provides remote control operation from a PC. Remote power on/off from a PC will be possible. By using mechanical relays, the antenna tuner can quickly retune the operating band in 2 to 3 seconds. The PW2 has also succeeded in reducing unnecessary emissions during tuning. The antenna tuner works even when the power amplifier function is not used. A remote control cable enables the amplifier to be mounted away from the radios for a big station installation in a small shack space. The 4.3-inch color screen is a touchscreen with a graphical user interface. Connected antennas are graphically shown on the display for easy recognition. Effortless operation is possible even when connected to non-Icom radios. In addition, the IC-PW2 has a number of outstanding features. High efficiency and low noise cooling system. Various error detection circuits protect internal components. An SD card slot on the front panel for firmware updates and saving settings. Remote aux jack for controlling an automatic tuning telescopic antenna. Antenna quick select function temporarily set to a preset antenna connector, such as for using a multi-band antenna or a dummy load. The PW2 is equipped with a variety of functions suitable for the latest in linear amplifier technology. What do you think? The IC-PW2 is the result of the efforts of Icom as an enhancement to the DXers and contesters, who aim for the highest level in the world.